In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add contacts to a campaign in Salesforce. This is an essential skill for anyone looking to maximize the impact of their marketing efforts within this powerful CRM platform. Let's dive right in. First, you're going to want to navigate to one of the mainstays of Salesforce, the Contacts tab. This tab is your central hub for managing all the individuals you interact with, so you'll likely find yourself here often. Once you've made your way to the Contacts tab, you'll need to select the list view that best suits your needs. This might be something like My Contacts, if you're looking to focus on the people you're in direct communication with, or it may be a custom list you've previously set up for a specific task or group of individuals. Now, here's where we get to the crux of the process: selection. To add contacts to your campaign, simply check the boxes next to the names of the individuals you wish to include. It's important to keep in mind that Salesforce allows you to select up to 200 contacts at a time from a list view. This is a great way to organize your work if you have a lot of contacts and need to be strategic about who you're reaching out to. With your contacts selected, look for the button labeled Add to Campaign. This button often appears as a small flag or might have a campaign icon on it. Clicking this button is crucial because it opens the gateway to managing your list within the context of a campaign. However, if you don't see this button, don't worry too much. It may be because of how your List View button layout is set up for the contact object. In such cases, you'll need to reach out to your Salesforce admin. They'll be able to make it visible for you. Once you click Add to Campaign, a pop-up window will appear. In this window, your next task is to search for and select the campaign you wish to associate with the contacts you've chosen. You'll notice that Salesforce offers great flexibility in designing and running campaigns, so take a moment to ensure you're linking them to the right one. Here, you also get to decide on the member status for these contacts, whether it's sent, invited, or registered. Choosing the correct status is important for tracking engagement and managing the progress of your campaign. Picking the right status reflects the stage of involvement each contact has with your campaign, which can be particularly useful for managing communications moving forward. Once you've made these decisions, review everything one last time and click the Submit button. You'll then see your contacts officially added to your selected campaign, armed and ready to play their part in your next promotional push. And that's it! You've successfully learned to add contacts to a campaign in Salesforce. Remember, mastering these basics lays the groundwork for more advanced strategies and ensures your campaigns are always running smoothly and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tips on getting the most out of Salesforce.